Hi, fourth and fifth graders. So this video is just going to be like a little introduction to how you're going to be using Google Classroom for Music and Quaver and everything else that we'll be doing in the coming weeks from home. So I'm presenting my computer screen. So I will make sure that it's working before I post this. But here's how you're going to kind of start each week. Every week on Monday, I will post the new week's lesson. In this case, we're starting tomorrow on Thursday. So what you're going to see is starting tomorrow, you're going to have from tomorrow all the way through next Friday, March 27th. I'm giving you an extra day to get the first week done since it's our first week of everything going on. So fourth and fifth grade are going to look the same. So you'll click on fourth grade, then go over to classwork. Specials are all together to make it nice and easy for you. So obviously you're going to click on music. And I've posted that welcome video that you probably already watched. And then you'll watch this video that I'm making now. And then here's where you're going to go for each week. Okay, it's going to be a Google Doc. It'll say 4 to 5 for fourth and fifth grade and week 1. So this is first week. Next week you'll see starting in April, I think it will be in 2 weeks, you'll see, I'm going to say week 2, okay? I put just a little blurb here together that you can read, but basically what it's saying is that, like I just said, I'll post on Monday, you have until Friday. Since I see fifth grade 1 hour a week and fourth grade a little more, we're just going to have about an hour's worth of music activities and work for you to complete and turn in for some points, okay? So since I see you a week, or an hour a week, that's what I'll expect for you to do at home, because I know you already have so much other stuff for all of your other classes. Also, it says here for fourth graders, we will not have Recorder be part of our lessons per se. I may throw in sometimes an assignment for you to, demonstrate a few of the pitches that we've been learning. But what I will do is in the next day or so, hopefully, I'm going to post a bunch of music that you can download and play along with the fingering chart if you need to check notes. So you can still keep up that progress we've been making. You've been doing so well, fourth grade. So I hope that you do keep playing, and I really will look forward to seeing what you do when we get back, okay? So open up the Google Doc. It'll take you to a new page. For this first one, I have lots of information for you and your parents to read just about how this is going to work for music. We're trying to all keep it very similar so it's not complicated. I'm going to have office hours every day, Monday through Friday, 11 to 2. So that means during those times, I will be sitting here at my computer ready to answer any emails right on the spot, or so you can email me with questions, or if something's not working, send me an email, say, hey, Mr. B, I want to set up a Google Hangout, and I will do that and invite you. So that way we can meet right here virtually, and I can walk you through anything that isn't working or you're just confused about. So 11 to 2 is when I will be here for you, okay? But anytime, email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? All right, so for week 1, 319 to 327, fourth and fifth grade, we've been talking about chords and harmonies, so we're going to kind of keep up with that. So basically, we're not really doing anything different than we would do in school. I'm just having to alter some of the activities so that you can do them at home. To start with a little review, we're going to watch the rock episode on Quaver. So we do Quaver all the time. For us to be able to watch these videos, I'm going to do a Google Hangout and record my screen with the episode. So that way you'll be able to just go on Google Classroom, it'll say rock episode, click it, and it'll play the video for you, okay? There's some questions here, though, that I want you to answer for that. So, for example, I'll make an assignment with these questions, and you can go ahead and just type in your answers, 1 or 2 sentences, full sentences, and then you'll get points for turning that in by Friday next week. Then you're going to see this a lot. So I don't know if we've really done this in fourth or fifth grade. I know I've done it with 6 to 8, but you're able to access a lot of Quaver activities on your own Chromebook or computer at home. So I have this link here that you can just click, and when you get there, I put a lot of screenshots so you can make sure you know you're on the right page. So go here. It's going to bring up a new page. Go back to the Google Doc, and you're always going to have a class code for every activity. I would just go ahead and copy that if you could, and then paste it back here in the white box. Hit go, and it's going to bring you right to the activity we're doing. So the instructions for this one say, once you're on the activity, click the blue book that says advanced. So you'll do that, and then this is a fun little like textbook type thing about rock music where you're going to learn a lot of cool things about rock. So once it opens, you can walk through it, and that's how all of those types of activities work. You just go there with the code and then follow my instructions. That should be pretty easy, okay? And then last, we're going to do a listening log every week because we do these anyways. I picked a rock song because we're doing rock and chords and all of that. So use your listening log sheet in your folder to do this. I will also post it on Google Classroom in case anyone doesn't have that with them. Please use those music words when you're making your listening log, okay? All right, so it's pretty, I hope, pretty easy for us to kind of just walk through this each week, following the instructions here and on Google Classroom, okay? So again, starting tomorrow, I'll be here, right here, 11 to 2 for sure. So if you're not having links open or you're confused about my direction, please send me an email or ask to do a Google Hangout and I will walk you through it. I think after we do about a week of this, everyone's going to feel pretty good and we're going to adjust, okay? So I'm learning with you about how to do all of this stuff. So we're going to make it work, and I will look forward to hopefully hearing and seeing you very, very soon. Okay? Bye, guys.